cloudy, but it's still hot. It's like 96 degrees, about 90% humidity. We're in Deerbrook Mall going to Candeeland for Joyce. You ready for Candeeland? Right, let's walk towards Macy's. Yeah. I smell barbecue. That's locked. How the audio is, it's pretty windy. Go where? You want to go upstairs? Okay, go. Go. Yeah, go. Yeah, go upstairs. Whee! No, let's go to Candeeland. Baby George, look, Candeeland. We're here. Alright, we gotta check in first. You wanna go inside? You ready? Are you ready? Careful, baby. Huh? Oh, look, there's a passageway over here. Down here. You want to go to the slide? I think you have to go up.
Go upstairs.
Hey, you gotta go up. I think that's where it is. See if they can find the slide. Huh? Okay, I got you. Go, baby. That was fun. You want to go again? Come on. There you go. You found mommy. Now she's gonna climb up again. Yay, good job. You want to go over there? Okay, come on. Careful. Can you jump? Go. Are they supposed to ride that? Right there, baby. Tell mama to go in there. Hey, do the slide. One more. I put it in there. I put her in it. She's fried. Oh. Go ride it. Babe, watch out for the other kids.
You need to hold on to it. Yeah.
Ready? Go.
No, close your leg.
Oh. Climb down, baby. There you go. And walk over here. Come on, Joycey. Let's go, Joycey. Let's go, Joycey. Let's go, Joycey. Come on. Let's go, Joycey. She doesn't want.